recover from the COVID crisis, let's press the reset button and pause to take a stock of the changing landscape. Digital trends have oftentimes proved to be headwinds for businesses, but post-COVID is most likely to prove to be tailwinds for quick recovery and growth. No matter what is the shape of the recovery and how long it takes for companies to recover, I think it's going to be imperative for businesses to leverage data and analytics as a catalyst for them to come back to good times. Consumers are moving from offline to online channels, and supply chain is being reconfigured. Therefore, businesses will need a complete 360 view of their customers and understand the changing buying behaviors. They will have to look at data that they already have and look at data from non-traditional sources if they want to gain competitive advantage. Companies will have to reassess their MDM practices, their data infrastructure, their data governance frameworks if they want to accelerate the pace of revival as well as come back to revenue generating times. Once they have handle of the data, it will be necessary as lockdown eases and restrictions eases for companies to re-engage with customers and have the appropriate targeting strategies so that the right customers come on board and make the necessary purchases. We also know that COVID has caused cash flow problems for businesses, and therefore they will have to deploy smart, analytically driven collection strategies to chase those defaulting customers who are most likely to pay. There are also tremendous cost pressures because of COVID. Companies will have to make sure that they've got the most price-effective, cost-effective BI and reporting factories that they set up or change to make sure that they have insights on their fingertips, but at a fraction of a cost and almost real time than they've had in the past. Industries in the financial services sector, investment banks, hedge funds, pension funds, as well as companies who are in the business of providing research-driven data, because of the cost pressures, will have to make sure that they shift their focus of providing excellent research, but at a standardized, globalized scale and at a fraction of the cost. As times change, I think the new normal will necessitate companies to adopt digital accelerators. What are digital accelerators? Analytics, data, machine learning, AI, deep learning, cognitive technologies are the digital accelerators which is going to determine companies who are going to be winners or laggards. That's what the space is.